Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop round off for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop round off, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop transformer down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you do this move, you're going to start with your feet together in a front side stance, looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to start to reach down and jump off both feet at the same time, kind of bring them around and then finish the move landing in a backside stance. You can also do this move with a spin in front of it, and I do recommend you get used to that because we are going to be doing that later on in combinations. Make sure when you do this move that you're landing on your toes and pushing through your toes. Also, try your best to get your legs up as much as you can, but if they go around to the side, it's okay. Just gradually start working on getting them a little bit higher and higher. Also, when your hands touch the ground, make sure you keep your shoulders up, nice and firm arms so you don't hurt your elbow or break your arm or something. Also, a very good prereq for this move is a pop front snap. If you don't have that, I recommend getting it, and I'll put it right there for you guys. Let's go ahead and check that out one more time. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you'd like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a hand swipe, which is kind of like a back cartwheel. It's exactly like a back cartwheel. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.